welcome to Avianweb. My name is Bree, and today I'm going to be doing an instructional video of how to get your Easy Bird harness on your bird safely and securely. I'm going to be providing some safety tips as well as tips and tricks for you to get your harness on your bird. So let's get started. So here we have the Easy Bird harness. Right now I am demonstrating to you the steps you need to take before putting on the harness. Take off the D-ring. Weave the belt through the front of the harness. The front of the harness has the Avianweb on it. This will be helpful once you place it on the bird. The harness is made of very strong and breathable material, but it is not indestructible, so please be cautious with it around your bird. This colorful clip will be used to attach the leash to your clothing or purse for a hands-free experience. This is the leash with the screw lock link. Fun fact, no bird can open escape-proof screw lock link. The link will attach to the D-clip on the harness once it is on the bird. The back of the large harness has 2 loops on it that the belt will go through. Remember, the back does not have the Avianweb logo on it. Here we have our small version of the Avianweb harness. It is almost identical to the larger, except it has only 1 loop on the back side. However, this small harness comes with 2 snap links. The black is the lightest snap link on the market because small birds are very light. In the case that the bird chews on the black link, we provide an extra silver snap link. Please do not use both snap links at once. It is one or the other. Here is our bird volunteer blue. Place the harness over the head. Make sure both sides, back and front, are parallel to one another. Check for the Avianweb logo on the front. Place the D-ring on the belt. Wrap belt around to the back and place it through the 2 loops, or 1 loop in the small harness. Adjust the belt into the slider buckle near the backside of the bird. This is to ensure the bird does not chew on the buckle. Make sure your bird has enough room in the harness and is comfortable. Take your silver snap link and attach to D-ring on the harness. Test it to ensure safe usage. Before going outside, make sure your harness is secured and ready. Practice indoors before leaving with your bird. So Blue, how do you feel about your Easy Bird harness? I love my Easy Bird harness. If you notice that your bird begins to chew or loosen the buckle, put the screw lock link in the hole immediately after the sliding buckle. The holes in the belt are only there to give pet owners the option to attach the leash directly through the holes in the belt, rather than attaching it to the D-ring. Now that I walked you through how to put the harness on, I'm just going to be relaying some safety information before you go out with your bird and your Easy Bird harness. Please supervise your pet at all times. If they start to tug on it or chew on it, it can lead to damage. While the harness is made of very strong material, it is not indestructible. So please supervise your pet and make sure they don't chew on it or bite it or break it. When putting the harness on the bird, you want to make sure that you feed it treats as well. When you're first starting out, it's easier to have another person there to hand the bird the treats while you're putting the harness on. While the other person's giving the treats, it distracts the bird from even noticing that the harness is going on. Another good point from scratching on the head or giving him treats is that it creates a positive reinforcement for the bird. So they know that when the harness goes on, they get treats, they get pets, and they get to go outside. What better way to positively reinforce this bird? They'll start to associate the harness with those things. So it's really important that you do this while putting the harness on the bird. At first it is difficult and the bird may not like the harness, but they grow to like it. We hope that helped and that you were able to gain more information about how to put your Easy Bird harness on your bird. Right, Blue?
Yeah, I love my Easy Bird harness.
See, we already have a lover. Luckily, we have even more lovers of the Easy Bird harness from our customers who have sent in pictures of their birds rocking it. Let's take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.